Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I am your go-to fitness expert. I am your girl if you want to change your life. If you want to live out to be the best version of yourself, to become this woman from the magazine cover, to have everything at your fingertips, to have everything just by click of your fingers, to be confident and to be empowered by who you are. And it's not something like a magic trick. It's not about some promotion of a plastic surgery or just getting everything in 5 seconds or just by this video. It is about dedication to choose the path that there is and Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I am your go-to fitness expert. I am your girl if you want to change your life, if you want to reshape the direction of your life, if you feel that this is enough to live in a mediocre life, that you feel that it's quite up to your neck you get in your life to be just a bit on an average level, that you feel that you are not satisfied in your relationship, that you do not feel happy at work, you do not feel that you've been acknowledged in the world by whomever, either it's your circle, either it's your environment, either it's your relationships, either it's your career, either it's even how you dress. There is a point that you need to look deeper. This is all reflection of what is your body shape, what is your relationship to your body, and how do you let others see yourself. This is all about fitness transformations that I offer. If you want to know more, send me a DM. Book yourself a free consultation call. Why not to use a free consultation call? I do not know. There is no hidden gems about it. Get a call, get a consultation, which would be made specifically for you, and we take from there. In today's video, I want to speak with you about how weight loss changing the life. And you may think that it's something interconnected, that it's maybe working for someone, but it's not necessarily the weight loss. But let me tell you, even if you look around, for sure in your environment, would be some person who was having an issue with the weight, and then they drop the weight, and then magically their life have changed around. Or if you, let's even recall some popular movies from US where there is in a high school would be some girls which would be like almost last person, and no one noticed them, but then magically they just get some makeover, they lose weight, they change specs to the lenses, or they did a surgery, and then they become smoking hot women. And it's not only about the transition from being a teenager and becoming a woman. No matter what is your age, you can always change the direction of your life by just changing the one ingredient, your own capsule, your own body shape, the way, not only the body shape and your physical appearance, but also what is ingredients in your head, which means your mindset. How do you look at the world? What is your value system? And the most important, maybe you would be surprised even to hear that, but how do you relate to yourself? How do you talk about yourself to yourself and to others? Do you make a lot of sarcastic jokes about yourself? Because the one thing to be just a bit choppy, a bit with the beautiful curves, which is now also so popular in the modeling industry and also by advertising campaigns and also by nature. We are all different women, we are all different humans who have a different structure of the body, which is absolutely great. But still, if you deep inside are not happy with what you see in your mirror, in the bathroom or in wardrobe, but you do not do anything about it, your way of living just go on the spiral down. So you need just to change this one ingredient, your weight and your body shape. How to do it, how to get to the point. Get that this is enough. You cannot just go more lower And the life is only one, no matter what is your belief system, but also even if it's your would be a reincarnation in the next lives, but just do something about your life now. Why would you go and let other opportunities just pass by you? Invest in yourself, and then you will see that this magical makeovers that happen to others, that happen to the star movies for the actresses in the movies would happen also to you. And it's not about magical pill, it is about when you decide that you want to change. This is already goes like a mental agreement, I like to go, that you take a decision. And when you take the decision, the transformation happens. Then you hire someone. So do not waste your time by just doing it by yourself. You have done something already by yourself. Let the specialist do something about you right now and help you to get out of the circumstance that you are right now with your body, with your confidence, with your self-esteem and self-worth in a faster manner, which is also important because time is money, and also in a more efficient and less painful, because when you do it all by yourself, you go through the struggle, you go through the breakdowns by yourself, and you cannot rely on antidepressants or on chewing a chocolate to suppress these breakdowns. You need a support of experts. This is why it's important to always go through the transformation with the expert. I reminding you that I am an expert and I want you to have a hand of mine to transform your life situation. So when you choose, you get a mental agreement first, then you choose your expert and your coach with whom you would transform, what is beautifully outlined in my transformation program, that I work on all aspects. I work on a physical shape, I work on the mental well-being, on a nutrition, and cover all areas, that not only your physical body would change, also the exercising routine, but also investment in your self-growth by a mental health, by a mental well-being, by doing meditations and practices to elevate your stamina and your inner light from inside, to change the most important view, how you look at yourself. How do you look at yourself when you see yourself on the pictures, when you see yourself on social media, when you see yourself in the mirror, when you see yourself in a magazine, I don't know, in the meeting? How do you feel about your body? Do you criticize yourself? Do you feel that you want to be unseen? Do you feel something is bothering you? When you change the perspective of yourself, how do you relate to yourself, how you feel confident in your own skin, there is no such a thing that would bother you. How you may criticize yourself in the past, because there is would be just jaw dropping in yourself, not, I think, not in yourself, but for others, because they would be wonder from where this woman come. But this woman is always inside you, but just because you choose to be unseen and you compromise your own value and you suppress this woman inside you by being unseen and gray sort of person, no one sees this beauty inside you. And it's not that just to unleash and be some hot model with a body shape which is just perfect. It's about that you gain a confidence in yourself, because you know that you did a work to lose those pounds, to lose those body extra weight, to lose and get the stretch marks away, to get your skin in tones, to get better health of your hair, skin and nails. And then you see improvements, and then your self-esteem, your self-worth and self-respect and self-confidence and self-value would grow. And again, this would help, and this is boost your exercise. This would help you also to choose nourishment over junk food or fast food, because you know that you see yourself, that you are the most important person in the world. You are the most beautiful woman, and you want to invest in yourself. You want to do the best things for yourself. And guess what? Then the rest of the world would do the monkey effect. They would do the same for you. And this is where the magic happens. This is not about a magic pill that everything fall into the place. This is about that not you choose some weight loss surgery or Ozempic injection. It's about when you sweat while you do the exercise, when you get into connection with your team, if you choose to go through the therapy, through the counseling, through the coaching, and you have a power and reliance on these people, or if it's only one personal trainer, and you sweat and you go through the breakdowns and you go through the meltdown. There are so many synonyms to this statement, but then you will become more and more powerful and more strong inside you. And it's not even that you would be feeling miserable and then you stuck there, but just because you have a help and support of your team, of a personal trainer, of expert who would always push you and elevate you up, you would become a better, stronger version of yourself. And then when you sit in any uncomfortable situation, either it's your work, either it's your business meeting, either it's some conversation with your boss, either it's your relationship breaking apart because you see this person, it's have different points of view and you disagree, but you get the confidence and you get the strength in yourself and you live. You cut off what does not serve you anymore, and you know that there is even better and better aspects would come in your life. And then you live your best life, and then this magic happens, and then you see this day by day, step by step. You will see that what you was dreaming once, now you live in your life. So this is what I have to offer for you through the fitness transformation. Even so, it's called fitness transformation, but it has so many ingredients. It have your exercise routine, which is actually the physical reshaping of your body. It have a nutrition aspect within a holistic way of living, which means using a natural ingredients for your health, because not only this would improve your body shape as a physical appeal, but also your health, your digestion, the way you serve your inner health, and also your looks, your health of your skin, the health of your hair and your nails, and also your mental health, because you would be invested and you would be guided by me about the mental health importance and how to heal and how to regain a power over your mental health without any sort of antidepressants or without any psychology therapies over the years, which my clients also did in the past but have been overcome by coaching with me. This is what I want to offer to as many women out there. Feel free to reach me, feel free to share with your friends, with your family member, with your maybe girlfriends who need this help, who need to transform but still struggle how to start. I want to help you out. I want you to be the glowing version of yourself, because this Wonder Woman, this perfect woman is within you. You just need the right direction and more power to open up as a flower, because there's everything within you. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.